List major cases you have won to become a SAN. Wike fires back at Femi Falana. He should list major cases he has won. Of course, he has won major cases. That is why he became a SAN. They buy SAN now. At least I know somebody that is a SAN. You must have won some major cases before you are given that position. A SAN. SAN is not easy to become in this country, so I don't understand. But which case Wike don't do before? Which case has he defended before? Did he even go to law school? Somebody that went to borrow cap and wig, that went to borrow lawyer gown and snap with the wife. He's not a lawyer, Coco. I don't understand. What is? I'm sure it's very lying. They have problems with Femi Falana. What did he do to them? They are just attacking him left, right, and center. He should list major cases. Of course, he won major cases for him to be a SAN. They buy SAN for markets now. You must have won some major cases before. This person that has been a lawyer before you dreamt of becoming a lawyer. You're bound to a lawyer. Which lawyer you be safe? Lawyer will not get certificate. We know human rights lawyer Femi Falana son has been challenged. So this is the number of major cases he won and what he has done for the development of the legal profession that qualified him to become a senior advocate of Nigeria. So I'm going to ask the people that made him SAN, because obviously he did not make himself SAN. He did not make himself a SAN. People that made him a SAN saw that he was worthy. He deserved to be a SAN. That is why they gave it to him. He should not come and list it for you. He's coming. He's coming to list it for you. Yeah, people. I know he's the one. I know. Federal Capital Territory FCT Minister is on Wike Senior Special Assistant on Public Communications and Social Media through this challenge in a statement on Monday. He doesn't have time now. Shebi Google is your friend. Go and use Google. Go and look for it by yourself. I'm sure that Google will have it. Or you go to the Federal High Court, I've been at Supreme Court, to go and find out all the cases that Femi Falana has won for him to become a SAN. Because I don't understand you. If he has not won major cases, there's no way he's going to be a SAN. The FCT minister said it is funny and ridiculous that in the mind of Falana, Lady Olayinka is so disrespectful. So disrespectful. Like, God, it's so annoying. Oh, it is funny and ridiculous that in the mind of Falana, only those who have handled cases in trial courts or appellate courts are lawyers, and that the lawyer must have handled cases in trial or appellate court to be qualified for appointment as a live bencher. Which lawyer will know they go court? Which kind of lawyer you be? What kind of a lawyer does not go to court? I beg you. Lawyer my foot. That one. How is he going to even talk in the court of law? With that in voice that be like toad on. I beg you. Live bencher called live bencher. Olayinka, who said the FCC minister got his membership of body of benchers on merit. It's a lie. He bought it. He's always buying things. He's always buying his way through. By merit. Which merit? Which merit? I beg you, having contributed immensely to the advancement of legal education. Now so, what's the way they dash? Asked, apart from going on television to make noise, what has Falana contributed to the legal profession? Somebody that has been here before they even gave birth to you. Lady Olayinka, very nonsense and disrespectful human being. Even the SAN that he got, was it through an afterthought? Was it not years after his mate had gotten SAN? They know the cash list come out for that one, no? Lady Olayinka, even after his mate had gotten SAN, but he still got it. Then the cash list come out. He did it. He got to become a SAN when it was right for him to become a SAN, not when his mates had gotten SAN. That's a very stupid way to think. That's a very myopic thinking. It wasn't all years after his mate had gotten SAN. It does not matter. What matters is that he got it. Abi, that's what that matters. It's not about the age that he got it, Mr. Lady Olayinka. Obviously, you have a very small mind. Somebody that can reason like this, obviously, they don't have sense. They have a small mind. He said, as governor of Rivers State, Wike was instrumental to the establishment and infrastructural development of the campus of the Nigerian Law School in Port Harcourt. After that, again, what did he do? Which is the best center for legal education in Nigeria today. He also played major roles in the development of facilities at the Enagua campus of the Nigerian Law School by constructing a state-of-the-art 1,500 capacity hall and 200-bed male and female hostels, among other interventions. Shebi is a governor. So now that his FCT minister is constructing a 10-unit housing quarters for the Nigerian law school, so that it can be controlling them now. That is why he's building whatever it is that he's building for them, so that he can be controlling the lawyers, controlling the judges. That is what he's doing. I built this thing for you people, so you have to do my bidding. Any case that I bring that is Wike's own, you have to rule in my favor. That is what he's doing, buying them over. He also provided operational vehicles to the school to improve its operation. Where is he getting the money from? Is it the money from his ministerial salary that he's using to build all of this? I beg, let's hear what. The question is, what has Falana done for the legal profession? Even in Ekiti State, where he's from, he doesn't have money to steal now. How much is the salary? How much is the salary that he will be competing with Wike in building infrastructure? Blame your line. Have sense now. When do you want to have sense? You just carry white beards full for face. You don't have sense. Even in Ekiti, where is he from, he has not contributed anything because he doesn't have money. He's not stealing money like you people now. He's not trying to control the resources in Rivers so that he can be siphoning money inside his pockets. How much is Falana's salary? Have you ever seen him live a lavish lifestyle? No. Because he's not stealing money, so he cannot use the money that he does not have to do what he cannot do. The bar center in Adokete was built by Area Falana and the criminal justice system people. Now. Why won't he build it? Of course, he will be able to build it because they know how they are getting their money. I beg you. While the one in Ekiti was built by Chief Oliola Nikbekunsan, also Area Falana has been sponsoring Nigerian Bar Association annual lecture for years and has been assisting lawyers in Ekiti. Where did he get the money from? How much was his salary as a lawyer, as a son? That he's now doing all of that you expect Falana to also do it. To steal money. I beg you, people are just confused. You are not okay. You are just talking. Your argument is not standard. You don't have facts. You are just talking rubbish. You just argue blindly. If as a senior advocate of Nigeria, you could tell your client that Section 96 or Section 1 of the Constitution of Nigeria is useless, and in a House of Assembly of 32 members, 3 can sit. Question needs to be asked as to how exactly you qualified as a senior advocate of Nigeria. Like I said, that's what you know how to do best, insult people. But your argument does not have standing at all. Leola, it does not. You're just arguing like a child, like a toddler, like children that are arguing. Nonsense talk. I beg, go and sit down. Listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.